Hi, good afternoon. My name is Catherine. I'm the Director of Sales and Marketing for Lexis Hotel Group. We are here actually attending a 2-day full-day training session which we have appointed Mr. Jonathan from Global Success to conduct this training for us, and we have total about 20 over of us, and all are actually the salesperson. I would find that this session is pretty good, for all of us, I believe, and for my own self, I would say that I've actually discovered another part of myself, and also I actually managed to get more time to spend with my team members, even have a better and closer relationship, and also to know them better in terms of apart from working, and also some kind of like a personal preference, and also what they actually normally like to do, and also normally like to eat, at least to have some kind of personal kind of experience with them, more closer kind of relationship with them. And in terms of the section here, I would say it's quite impactful thing for me, whereby some of the the syllables and the words that which I can learn here also, and I believe that it can be also applied in my workplace when I'm back to my work desk with my team as well. And I believe 2018 will be a good year for everybody, for all of us, and definitely we will achieve greater heights kind of achievement in 2018. Thank you. And also on top of that, I would like to, I would be highly recommended Jonathan and the team from Global Success and Hospitality to any of the organizations that are looking into the similar training, especially on the sales and marketing matters as well. Thank you.